Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our March kit reveals. Now Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club and we provide 3 different kits: a scrapbook kit, a card tags and more kit, and a mixed media kit. You can subscribe to one kit, you can subscribe to all the kits, or even a combination of kits. But what we do every month is a video reveal of all of our kits. So that's what we're going to be going today. And if you want to see what's in our kits, then go ahead and stick around as we jump right into it. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That includes your shipping, and that's US shipping only. And what we like to do is, normally we have lots of international papers in our kits that are hard to get, but right now because of shipping issues we've been featuring a lot more of the US manufacturers. So we're just going to go ahead and get to it. At Treasure Lee, we love flowers, so therefore we always have lots of flowers in our kits, and this kit is no exception. First of all, we've got these rustic bloom flowers in white. You get the full pack. Next up, we've got these Prima flowers. There's 2 pieces in here. These are bigger flowers. They're like a statement flower is what I would like to call them, where I would build around the flowers. And these are, there's no name on these, but they're nice pink. And next up, you've got a pack of leaves this time. I think they go so well with the kit. There's 12 pieces in here, and these are like fabric leaves, plus there's a little sheet of vellum back there that's got some print on it, so you can also use that. So those are the kits. Next up, we've got a package of charms in the kit. These are clocks and gears. There's 4 pieces in here. And I like these metals because you can color these, not color these, but paint these with a little clear gesso, and then use some embossing ink to change the color if you like. And speaking, not embossing ink, but embossing powder. And speaking of embossing powder, you've got a pack of ultrafine gold embossing powder in the kit this month. And at Treasure Lee's, we also do custom laser cut chipboard, and we cut chipboard specifically for our kids. So you're going to get this huge clock piece, and actually it's in 2 pieces. You're going to get this piece, and you're going to get this piece. If you don't purchase the kit, check our website at www.treasureleekits.com, where you can go ahead and purchase any of our chipboard that we have in our kits separately. So this is available in the store, so go ahead and check that out. And while you're there, check out what other chipboard we have. All you have to do is click on the title, and it will show you everything that's in that category. All right, so let's get to the paper. This month we are featuring papers from Scrapaholics. They just started their paper line, and we're using their papers. This was their first venture into papers, and so this is our first sheet, and here's the back of it. I love this. Is very pretty. It's kind of shabby chic, but it's also a little bit rustic, and you can use it for masculine or feminine layouts. Their second sheet, and here's the back of that. I also see making vintage layouts with this as well, especially with those clocks, those pocket watches on the back. Some more. There's the back here. If you're interested too, we've got chipboard keys in the store that would go great with this as well. So check out, they're listed under steampunk, I believe. You can check out the keys, and we've got some gears in the store as well. But this paper is just so pretty. I love the dusty rose color of it, but you could also pull out some of the soft pinkness here. And again, another sheet for a nice masculine layout. And here's the back to that. Looks all textured, so it's really nice. And then you've got a sheet of ephemera cutouts, and I like that these are bigger pieces. I'm not a fan of fussy cutting, so I like it when the sheets are a little bit bigger, when the images are a little bit bigger. It just makes them easier to cut and takes less time. So that is the paper in our scrapbook kit. And again, you can find this on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. Under scrapbook kits, you go to store and then you go to scrapbook kits 2022 and you will find this there listed under March. Next up, we're going to go into our cards, tags, and more kit. Cards, tags, and more kit, we've got some fun stuff from Stemperia where you can make cards, you can make tags, you can make mini albums. That's the versatility of our cards, tags, and more kit. It's all about smaller projects. And this is no different. We're going to start off, you get a package of flowers, white flowers. You're also going to get some angel pink ink. This is Memento ink. You're also going to get this full bag of die cuts to coordinate with the paper, and it's really nice. These are nice weight cardboard die cuts, and these are perfect to go on your cards to embellish your cards. And this is going to be a nice shabby chic paper. And again, we've got our own custom chipboard, and you're going to get two different sets. You're going to get the one set of the sewing machines, kind of like the one you've got here, but the only difference is you get to embellish it the way that you like. So you're going to have those, and yes, these are in the store. And then you're also going to have some mini dress forms as well. These are super cute and perfect for cards just because of the size. And these are in the store as well. So it's your chipboard, and those are Trejoli cut chipboard. You're also going to get some dies. You're going to get these little mini dies, which are perfect for cards as well. And it's a mini sew die. And for the paper in here, you're getting 10 sheets of double-sided 8x8 paper, and this is by Stemperia, and it's called their Romantic Collection. I believe this is a new collection, and we're just going to go open this up real quick. We're opening this together. There we go. And I like that you get their paper. It's like in pad form. So we've got some nice little tags here that are perfect for cards. And look at this paper. How pretty is this paper? It's so super shabby pretty. Just gorgeous. This would be great for a mini album for someone that sews, or for vintage as well. But this is a gorgeous paper. Here you got some square cutouts here that you use as toppers for your cards. The back sheet of that is so super pretty. I just love this paper. And that's the paper that's in the kit. And you're also going to get another sheet, and this is rice paper. This would be really nice to use to cover some of your chipboard, but you can cut this and use this as toppers as well. So you're going to get that. And I'm not sure if I told you, but our card kit is $42. That does include the shipping as well. And again, that's just US shipping. But this has been our cards, tags, and more kit for March. Next up, we have our mixed media kit. We're doing our mixed media kit a little bit differently this month. Normally we have a project in with our mixed media kit, but we've got some new items to the market, and so this is going to be your chance to stock up or add to your mixed mediums. And so what we're getting, first of all, and this is brand new from Prima, what they did was they took their mica powders that they had before, and now they've put them into sets, like color sets. So this one is called Vintage Rose, and all these colors together in this set are supposed to evoke that vintage feeling or that shabby chic feeling. And these colors are absolutely beautiful. Let's see if we can get this open real quick. And our mixed media kit is $47. Okay. So we've got all these colors here. You can get you a better look at the colors, which are absolutely beautiful. Is there a name somewhere on here to tell you what colors are in here? It does not tell you what the actual name of the colors are, but the set is Vintage Rose, just so you know. So you're getting 6 separate mica powders, and make sure that you click the subscribe down below and you hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we upload videos, because our design team will be working with the micas to show you the different ways to use them. Next up, you're getting a pack of effect paste, jewel effect paste, and this one is in crushed crystals. And we're going to go ahead and open this up to you so you can actually see how pretty this really is. Okay, so this is the jewel effect paste in crushed crystals. If you can see, it's pretty much white, and it's got all the glitter and shimmer in it. And you can use this just like you would use any other effect paste. You can use this through stencils, or you could use this to dab onto a project, anything you want to give some shimmer to. But the fun thing about this too is this can be colored. You can scoop some out, you can use your mica powders to change the color, and that will be demoed. And then also what you're getting is some liquid color fluid medium. And what this is if you say you want to make a mist out of your mica powder, and you know you need something to have it adhere, you mix it with some of the fluid color medium. So that's what this is. It's kind of like a binder. So you've got that, and then we've also given you a mixing jar. This one's kind of big, so if you're going to make a color, pick your favorite color, but you can take some of your mica, your liquid color fluid medium, and water, and mix it in here, and you've got a whole bottle of mist. So that's what you're getting in our mixed media kit. And like I said before, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a video showing you all the different ways that you can use your mica powders and your jewel effect paste and the liquid color medium, fluid medium as well. So this has been the March kits for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe and head over to our website at www.treasureleekits.com. On their website, there'll be a full list of all the products that are in each kit, and you can shop around. We have past kits on the site available, as well as all of our chipboard. So again, this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Thanks for stopping by.